Airport operations are very complicated and require many people from various organizations to work together. Generally speaking, airports are labor-intensive, and there are large numbers of people working in airport operations. Therefore, for airport operations to be successful, a good quality labor force is necessary. Therefore, let's start by reviewing the characteristics of human resources in Korea. During the rise of the Korean economy from the ashes of the Korean War, education has been one of the most emphasized factors. Korea has one of the lowest illiteracy rates in the world, and even blue-collar workers have relatively high education levels. Another characteristic of Korean laborers is respect towards managers, supervisors, and other seniors. Confucianism is deeply embedded in the Korean culture and society, making Korean laborers accustomed to hierarchical structures. In addition, workers in their middle age or older are very diligent and hard-working, since the majority of them grew up during the economic development period and have experienced living in economic hardship. As mentioned before, operation of a large commercial airport is very complicated. Many organizations are involved, and there are many workers on site. Generally, airports in advanced countries utilize subcontractors for specific tasks. In other words, they utilize outsourced companies for the execution of each operational task. Various subcontractors are involved in an airport's operation. In Incheon Airport, also, the actual operations of various tasks are performed by specialized subcontractors. Through this subcontracting system, the airport authority can manage a large entity like Incheon Airport with a relatively small number of directly employed staff, thus achieving cost efficiency. In such a system, cooperation between the airport operator and its subcontractors is essential. Additionally, cooperation with airlines and government agencies on border control duty is also important. Cooperation between Incheon International Airport and related organizations is well performed, maintaining a close relationship. The contract condition and working environment at Incheon International Airport are relatively good compared to other entities in Korea. The management skill of Incheon International Airport is also a contributing factor to the successful relationship between various organizations and companies at Incheon International Airport. In relations with airlines, Incheon International Airport has provided relatively new and advanced facilities and equipment for flight operations and ground handling at reasonable prices to airlines operating at Incheon International Airport. Assignment of airline passenger service facilities and space is carried out through fair discussions and agreements between Incheon International Airport and airlines. With the majority of airlines satisfied with these procedures in addition to Incheon International Airport's traffic handling, Incheon International Airport's airport operation has been assessed to be excellent by both passengers and airport service monitoring organizations.
인천공항은 우리나라의 관문공항으로 전 세계와 우리나라를 연결시켜주는 그런 중요한 공항입니다. 그러나 세계적으로 보면은 우리나라는 극동의 아주 자그마한 나라에 불과합니다. 그런데도 우리가 어떻게 여객수로 보면은 국제선 여객으로 세계 6위, 또 국제선 화물 양으로 봐도 세계 3위에 해당하는 이런 큰 공항을 가지게 되었고, 또 이런 공항이 어떻게 그렇게 서비스가 좋고 또 수익성이 좋은 공항이 되었는지 하는 것은 전 세계 사람들이 모두 관심을 기울이고 그 이유를 알고 싶어하는 그런 공항입니다. 그래서 우리는 인천공항의 성공 사례를 잘 살펴서 앞으로 공기업 경영에 있어서도 그렇고 또 공항 경영에 있어서도 그렇고 그 성공 요인을 자세히 한번 들여다볼 필요가 있다고 생각이 됩니다.
Korea is well known for its advanced IT industry, and IT systems have been adopted aggressively in various industries and businesses. Incheon International Airport also utilizes IT-based techniques in most operations, including passenger service. As an example, shared check-in counter assignment decisions are made by an automated analysis system that utilizes time and passenger volume data of each flight. Incheon International Airport also utilizes a self-developed software that gathers data and performs statistical analysis on queuing times during passenger processes after check-in, such as security screening and border control. Through these systems, Incheon International Airport allows passengers to experience minimized queuing times for each procedure, relieving them from time-related anxiety by providing accurate waiting and processing times. Thanks to the excellent IT system, almost all passengers for departure, arrival, and transfer can get the information related to on-time service for their travels. Incheon International Airport's advanced system analyzes time for passenger processes and provides exact timing service to passengers and operators at each processing point. However, it is not possible to be assessed as an excellent service by IT system only. We need to provide warm and kind service by a human being. Incheon International Airport also deploys trained employees to each service point to provide support to passengers in need of assistance. Because passengers' idle time in between process phases is unavoidable, Incheon International Airport provides various amusement facilities as well as essential facilities for passengers to pass time. A critical advantage of air transportation is its speed. The speed performance of aircraft in the air is almost the same for the same type of aircraft. Therefore, total journey time can be significantly influenced by turnaround time on an airport. In addition, airlines try to utilize their aircraft at a maximum rate because these aircraft are acquired at tremendous costs. Where efficient ground service on the airport should be considered as one of the key factors for operational efficiency. As everybody agrees, the safety of air travel is also an important issue. Thus, airport operators need to strictly adhere to safety rules. Conclusively, key factors for efficient airport operation can be said to be speedy service while adhering strongly to safety rules. Incheon International Airport has pursued efficiency improvement by inviting private sector experts for high position from time to time, keeping safety requirements. As we reviewed, speedy service to aircraft while keeping safety rules is our goal. However, it is not easy to achieve this goal, as safety and speediness are usually incompatible. In addition, there are multiple organizations involved in airport operations with differentiated objectives. For example, while the government may emphasize keeping safety rules, airlines may have a great interest in fast turnaround. Therefore, the coordination between organizations is important. The aircraft operator needs to develop and implement a refined coordination system. We reviewed the success factor for aircraft service during the previous section. Now let's take a look at the aspect of passenger service and related financial performance. International flight passengers usually come to the airport in advance. The time actually required to process for boarding is less than 30 minutes, so passengers are forced to spend some time without any required process. The travelers with time and money at international airports have the opportunity to purchase some commercial items if there are chances to do so. The Incheon International Airport developed various commercial items for passengers' convenience, as well as revenue generation for itself. Travelers can use facilities for food, beverage, and spa. For shopping, various duty-free shops with various items and brands are in Incheon International Airport. Incheon International Airport also has a convenience store and shops for general items. With these commercial activities, the revenue of Incheon International Airport is increasing year after year. The following table and graph shows the financial results, including commercial activity results. Now, let me talk about strategies to develop the airport area for the purpose of general business to expand commercial revenue sources. As you may know, Korea developed the International Service Zone in the airport vicinity, where businesses related to air transportation and travel industries can come together. To support the operation of Incheon International Airport, the area south of the passenger terminal is being developed into an arena for international business and administration.
이제 우리 인천국제공항이 어떤 이제 규모나 이용객을 볼 때 다른 공항보다 적지 않나 이제 그렇게 얘기하는 분들도 뭐 있습니다. 그렇지만 제가 볼 때는 우리 현재 규모가 5,400만 명 1년간 이용할 수 있는 여객 규모가 5,400만 명인데요. 작년에 이제 5,770만 명 이용했고 올해 연말경에 완공되는 이 터미널이 이제 완공돼서 오픈되면은 7,200만 명이 이용할 수 있는 공항이 되고요. 또 아울러서 바로 내년경에 착공할 예정으로 현재 여러 가지 작업을 설계든지 여러 가지 준비를 하고 있는데 그것이 2023년경에 완공되면은 9천만 명 공항이 됩니다. 9천만 명에서 시설 효율성을 높이면 1억 명까지도 가능하다는 이야기거든요. 그러니까 규모 면에서 다른 공항에 비해서 우리가 이제 국제 여객만 지금 이용하는 규모 면에서 그렇게 작은 규모 공항은 아닙니다. 대단히 큰 공항이죠, 세계적으로. 물론 이제 중국의 다싱 신공항 같은 경우 1억 3천만 명이 이용할 수 있는 공항 규모로 직후는 있습니다. 거기에 비해서 우리가 조금 작은 면은 있지만 전체 국제선만 이용하는 승객 규모로 봐서는 세계적으로 한 5번째 안팎의 공항이 되고요. 시설 규모 면에서도 그렇습니다. 그렇지만 경쟁력에서 가장 중요한 것은 규모가 아니라고 생각을 합니다. 제일 중요한 것은 공항의 편리성, 그 다음에 효율성, 그 다음에 이제 첨단 스마트 공항으로 가는 거라고 생각을 하거든요. 그러니까 공항의 경쟁력은 규모라든지 어떤 이용객 수가 중요하지 않고 그것도 뭐 의미는 있죠. 그렇지만 더 중요한 것은 편리함, 안전, 또 보안, 또 효율성 이런 것들이 굉장히 중요하다고 봅니다. 또 주변 도시와의 네트워크, 항공 노선 수 이런 것이 굉장히 중요한데 우리 인천국제공항은 그런 면에서 모든 것을 다 갖추었다고 생각을 합니다. 특히 공항의 각 분야별로 현재 서비스만 1등이라고 볼 수도 있는데 각 분야별로 운항, 관제, 정비, 지상조업 이런 모든 면에서도 세계 최고의 1등 공항으로 지향하고 있기 때문에 규모 면에서 세계 최고로 가고 있지는 않지만 규모 면에서도 세계 아마 국제공항 규모 면에서는 한 5번째 안에 앞으로 들어갈 겁니다. 거기다가 모든 분야에서 세계 1등의 편리함, 서비스, 그 다음에 효율성 이런 것이 갖춰진다면 우리 인천국제공항은 세계 어느 공항보다도 더 훌륭한 공항으로 계속 발전할 걸로 확신을 합니다.